Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make keto corn dogs. This is a quarter cup of my skinny bread mix. It's the equivalent to one of these servings right here. So all I'm going to do is take this packet, open it up, stick it in the cereal bowl. I'm going to add a quarter cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, now, to turn this plain bread into cornbread, I'm going to add a tablespoon of my sweetener, and I'm going to add you can do anywhere from 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of cornbread extract. When you do keto and you miss things, you do mashed potato extract, you do cornbread extract, and then that's how you get your potatoes in your cornbread. We're gonna mix this up, and we are going to put it in the corn dog maker. Now guys, if you don't have the skinny bread or you don't have like the cornbread extract and things like that, you can always use the Baker's Basic and get a similar taste to this, okay? But I feel like that using the skinny with the cornbread extract is more true to taste. But the Baker's Basic will do if you don't have it. So now what I'm gonna do is I got my corn dog maker. I'm gonna spray it. And I'm gonna start putting a little bit in each one. I take a hot dog and I cut it in half the long way, and then I cut it in half the other way. And I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, so now that I got it all covered, I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna flip it. And we're gonna give it a couple minutes and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I flipped it. Look at that. Delicious corn dogs. They're all delicious. They're all delicious. And again, guys, you're eating comfort food, but instead of your comfort food being high fat and high carbs and low protein, it's high protein, low fat, low carbs. That's why this works. You're literally eating the same amount of food on just about half the calories, okay? That's why you need to do this. And you guys, we are commanded to eat and drink to the glory of God. Don't tell me you can go to McDonald's and eat and drink there to the glory of God. You can eat and drink this to the glory of God. Okay, guys, we love you. We're just trying to help you. You can go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and you can look at more recipes like this, and you can place an order there. Thanks for watching. God bless you.